Now, if you have eczema, another name for that would be dermatitis or atopic dermatitis. I have a very good remedy for you. This is a skin condition which you have extreme dryness. You maybe have a red rash, or it could be very, very itchy. But of course, if you look this up on Wikipedia, it says there's no known cause and no known cure, but there is steroids, but they have side effects. But if you dig a little bit further, you'll find a lot of research that will show you that there is some promising effects from a very powerful natural remedy, which I want to talk about. And based on the effectiveness of this remedy, apparently this condition is a problem with what's called essential fatty acids. It could be that your diet is not right, or it could be a genetic problem that keeps you kind of more susceptible to having this deficiency. Now, since I've been really into this deep dive into DNA, I noticed this one gene that could easily give someone eczema. And if they don't know this, then they're not going to know the epigenetic things that they can do. They might then be persuaded that there's nothing you can do, and you're just going to have to live with it. But that's not true. The mechanism is this. The body just is not being able to convert certain essential fatty acids into the form that the skin needs to function correctly. And primarily the sebaceous glands that are in the skin to release the oil. And when this happens, you get a severeness in dry skin. You get a lack of blood flow or capillary flow to your skin, and you get a severe dehydration on top of that, with a little inflammation and slow wound healing. So if you injure yourself, it takes a lot longer to heal. And so that's really what it is. So what is the remedy? Well, you want to take something called GLA, and that stands for gamma linolenic acid. But let's just call it GLA. Now, out of all the things that has the highest amount of this GLA, it is black currant seed oil. In fact, black currant seed oil has 2 to 3 times the amount of GLA than evening primrose oil, which has actually been known to have high levels of GLA. But this black currant seed oil also is high in omega-3 fatty acids, or at least the precursor ALA. And that is anti-inflammatory too. It also has many other things, one being thymoquinone, which helps decrease inflammation of the skin. It has lauric acid, which can help decrease a microbial infection to the skin. It actually improves the immune system to the skin. And the research on this is quite amazing. Apparently in one study, it was as effective as steroid creams, and even more effective than another common cream they use for eczema called Eucerin cream. So this is what you would do. You would buy some black currant seed oil, okay, and you put like 5 drops in your hands, and you rub it together so it's nice and warm, and then you apply it to your skin. It's that simple. You can also try to find it in a cream, but you can just use an oil too. And I would also at the same time take black currant seed oil as a supplement. You can get them in pearls, or you can just put a few drops of that in your water and drink that down. I'm not sure what that would taste like, but it's one option. All right, so there's your short video of, I think, a very effective remedy for eczema.